isip ko pero ako'y sabog na. Alam ko ang tama't mali pero ako'y sabog na.
Uy! Nice one, suspended. Pwede na mag-basketball mamaya. Yun, suspended.
Go na naman! Suspended ka na! Nakakita pa ka dito.
FYI, bahay namin yun, no?
Ah, tama. Dapat maglaro lang siya para hindi siya makapag-review sa quiz mamaya.
Hello? May online quiz mamaya. Gagi, di ko pa naman nagets yung lesson kahapon. Ay, chat ko na nga lang sila. Huwag naman mag-reply ng mga to.
Uy! Ang tagal mo! Tagal mo ba eh?
Ano ba yan? Mag-ingay-ingay nyo
Tagal
sa
mo ba eh?
akin.
Kanina pa kami dito.
Ano ba yan? Aga-aga? Ano ba ginagawa niyo dito?
Wow! Nagaya ka ng group study. Buksan mo daw. Bilisan mo, bilisan mo. Tagal
Ano?
oh.
Pinubuksan
Kanina
ko
pa
eh.
kami Kanina pa kami doon.
Ano ba yan? Aga-aga na. Dahil nga lang, magpapalit lang ako.
Eh, tagalan mo pa.
Ito na nga.
Tagal?
Asa sila, Bor?
Te, tagal mo te. Kanina pa. Nakaya na siya.
Ang buong mo dyan pala. Ito na.
Naku.
Okay? Saan?
我依然守护你。Oh baby 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 my baby baby， 我绝不能失去你。你手心你身。
Wait lang!
Sila na ba yun? Ay, ikaw kasi. Late na tuloy tayo.
Ayun sila, Bor.
Bem! Bem! Hi! Late na naman kayo. Pasensya. Chinek ko na yung lesson ni Ma'am kahapon. Yung tungkol sa mga cells, di ba may dalawang types nun? Prokaryotes and ano nga ulit yun? Eukaryotes nga ni. Yun ang narinig ko kay Ma'am.
Mga paldo talaga kayong mag-review. Alam nyo, manood na kaya tayo ng YouTube. Meron akong alam na isang channel. Magaling yung mag-explain.
Makasang yan ah.
Ito.
Hi kids! Welcome to Grrr Hills. Have you ever wondered what living things are made of? Well, if we're talking about biology, then we're certainly made out of cells. Yes, you hit it right. Cells. They are the basic unit of life, and cells can be categorized into two. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi everyone, I'm Prokaryote. Simple, small, but mighty. I've been around for billions of years like bacteria and archaea.
And I'm eukaryotic cells. Larger, more complex, but full of styles. I've got a nucleus to protect my DNA and lots of organelles that do specific jobs. Plants, animals, fungi, we're all made out of eukaryotic cells.
Let's start with the basics. Prokaryotes, tell us something unique about you.
Well, what makes me unique is that I don't have a nucleus. My DNA floats freely in the cytoplasm, fast and efficient.
What about you, eukaryotes?
Oh, I have plenty of organelles. Mitochondria for energy, Golgi is my packaging center, and endoplasmic reticulum is like my delivery truck. I'm basically a busy little cell, and I also have the control center, the nucleus.
I think you could introduce your organelles further in this video. Can we hear more about them?
Of course, ma'am. Hello, I am the cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane. I am the gatekeeper of a cell. I decide who gets in and who stays out. Nutrients, come on in. Oxygen, welcome aboard. But harmful stuff, not on my watch.
Ooh, that's such a great gatekeeper right there. Now, let's go inside the cell.
Oops, I'm cytoskeleton. I'm the one who keeps the cell in shape. I love providing myself the structural support it needs. Go cell!
How supportive. Who's next?
I'm cytoplasm. I'm clear in color and I have a gel-like appearance. I love to hold cells' organelles in place to protect and keep them from damages.
Hey there, I'm the nucleus, the control center of the cell. You can think of me as the brain or the boss around here. I keep everything organized. I hold the cell's DNA, which is like an instructional manual for how things should work. Inside me is the nucleolus. He's in charge of making ribosomes, our tiny protein factory.
Yo, I'm ribosome, the protein factory of the cell. Need something to build? I got you. I take the orders from the nucleus, that's the cell bus, and I turn them into proteins.
Don't forget about the most famous organelle. I am the powerhouse of the cell, mitochondria. My ability to convert the glucose into adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, helpful in keeping your whole body running.
Whoa! That's our celebrity powerhouse right there. But where's the others? I guess they're too shy to introduce themselves. Eukaryotic cell? Could you please introduce them for our viewers instead?
Of course! Let me introduce the chloroplast. He's the green guy who loves the sun. Photosynthesis is what he do, making energy just for you. And here's lysosome. Don't be stubborn. Here!
Ew, someone gonna clean this mess. Oh, hi, I'm Lysosome. I'm not blushy, but without me, yuck, chaos.
Wow! I'm so glad to meet you guys. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oops! Before I go, can you all say bye-bye to our viewers? In 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!
Bye!
Sabi sa inyo magaling yun eh.
Oh, same.
Ayaw nyo maniwala eh.
Ang galing ng grrryots! So guys, quick recap bago tayo mag-iwawalan. Sige nga, ano nga ulit yung dalawang types ng cells?
Sus, ang dali-dali ng tanong ah. Di ba meron tayong prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Yung prokaryotes, simple lang, walang nucleus. And then yung eukaryotes naman, meron siyang true nucleus. At kumpleto rin yung mga organelles niya. Gets nyo ba?
Tama! Pero kahit magkaiba sila, may similarities pa din. Like parehong may cell membrane, cytoplasm, at genetic material. Speaking of organelles, naalala niyo ba yung nucleus? Yung parang brain natin na nagbibigay sa atin ng direction. Tapos yung sa mitochondria na para sa energy naman. Parang motivation natin sa buhay, di ba?
And also, yung ribosomes, parang skills lang natin yun eh. Slowly nating natututunan at nade-develop. Tapos, meron ding endoplasmic reticulum. Para siyang support system. Minsan smooth, and minsan rough. Parang buhay lang natin, no? Minsan merong mga rough times, and meron din naman mga times na suwabe lang. Pero yung mahalaga doon, pareho silang nakakatulong sa growth natin. Di ba?
Oh, and Golgi apparatus. That's when we organize and send out our actions and plans. Parang productivity natin.
Productivity. Tsaka pala, meron pang isa, yung cell membrane. Yung cell membrane, parang siyang boundaries, yung harang, para i-protect sa atin. And then pa rin, vacuole. Yun naman yung nag-i-store ng mga memories and emotions.
Grabe, no? Ang dami talagang life lesson ng cells.
Tama.
Totoo, lahat ng parts may role. Just like our experiences, may purpose din. True ka dyan. Kaya kung walang cells, wala tayong life. At kung wala tayong direction, passion, skills, support, and also creativity, di rin tayo mabubuo. Uy!
Kaya nga biology is amazing, no? Kahit invisible, visible pa rin yung impact. Di ba? Halata nyo ba?
So guys, ano pa yung mga natutunan niyo? Ako, kahit gaano ka-simple or complex, lahat tayo may value. May ambag, kahit small, that we should always be mesmerized by God's creations even though we couldn't see it in our eyes. Just like cells!
Tuloy pa.
Right. Pero she's actually right, guys. Just like us, whenever may group work tayo, we act like cells. May kanya-kanyang roles, kaya nag-work together. Tama! May leader like nucleus, may taga-boost ng morals like mitochondria, may taga-bigay ng ideas like DNA, and also may taga-organize like Golgi. At di mawawala yung vacuole, like a friend na taga-transport ng chismis. Este, latest update. At syempre,
Grabe, ang hirap ng test kahapon.
Ang dali-dali nga nun, basic lang.
Anong basic? Porket matalino ba?
ay, andyan na sila! Hi!
Bakit dito to? Ay!
Yo!
Paano nakakapasa sa dyan tayo?
Ang basic kaya nun. Sana pa naginipan ko yung sagot eh.
Yee!
Ano ba?
Yeah, you might have somebody, no, but you don't got me. Oh, but you're thinking about it. Yeah, so easy to see. I won't tell nobody, nobody's gonna tell on me. And we both know it, baby, exactly what this could be. But sometimes you can't hide.